Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to do Abbot Mermet's psychic reading. In the early 19th century, Alexis Mermet, a French priest, became known throughout Europe as one of the greatest dowsers of all time. In 1911, when he was called the Prince of Dowsers, he discovered remoto prospecting or teleradiesthesia. He also discovered the capital ray, which is very important in dowsing. During his research with minerals, he discovered that all bodies emit a ray which he called the fundamental ray. I have been studying the fundamental ray of human beings and animals for 24 years. It is the same ray that Mermet discovered in minerals. This ray individualizes the being, for each ray indicates a particular and potential temperament. Pointing out that my goal with this reading is to show you the coherence of the potential of each fundamental ray and people's behavior in practice. In this reading, I always approach the positive aspects of the potentials even if they are not present. Let's go reading. The fundamental ray that represents the external identity of Mermet is the dark blue fundamental ray. This ray carries the abstract potential. People of this ray are true magicians. They capture information from the subconscious, dominate the hidden mental, and have a very accurate sixth sense. The power of this ray promotes a great capacity for abstraction, spatial memory, photography. It also provides a lot of psychic and psychological resistance. These people's temperament is usually enigmatic, reserved, mysterious, devoted, focused. This ray rules the occult sciences, abstract sciences, language studies, and communication. Due to all these characteristics, great programmers, scientists, physicists, mathematicians, thinkers, visionaries, inventors, psychic, and many others have the dark blue ray. On the other hand, the inner identity of Mermet is formed by the violet and pink rays. The violet ray represents his masculine side, the way he projected on the world. This ray carries the persuasive potential, the higher intelligence. People of this ray have a noble, selective, and refined temperament. They are always in search of excellence, they are ethical, evolved, futuristic, and they transmit a lot of human magnetism. Furthermore, this ray carries the full potential of red, blue, and pink. That's why they are people with great willpower, intelligence, and sensitivity. This ray rules the alchemy, spirituality, evolution, excellence, transcendence. Due to all these characteristics, alchemists, spiritual leaders, political leaders, visionaries, inventors, psychic, artists, and many others have the violet ray. The fundamental ray that represents Mermet's feminine side, his receptive side, is the pink ray. This ray carries the potential of sensitivity. They are people of angelic spirit. They are very sensitive to energies, vibrations, emotions. They have a noble, selective, gentle temperament. That's why they are always looking for harmony, beauty, affection. They help a lot of people with no interest. They usually have a charm that comes from their inner beauty. A striking feature is their high spiritual protection. In addition, their faith is unshakable. This ray governs love, beauty, the arts, nature, animals, music. Furthermore, this ray carries the full potential of red and violet ray, promotes a great physical potential and a superior intelligence. And it is because of all these characteristics that the great geniuses of music, painting, dancers, doctors, religious, philanthropists, martial artists, athletes, ballet dancer, actresses, dowsers, singers, and others have the pink ray. Well, that is all for now. If you liked this short reading, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to bring you high-performance celebrity readings so that you can learn more and more about this subject. But if you want to go further, request your complete psychic reading and start expressing your full inner potential. Most of the time you are not aware of your own gifts and talents. But don't worry, the fundamental ray reveals all your feminine and masculine powers. Until the next reading, bye.